PM inspection management for managers, technicians, and administrative staff. Before we begin, I'd like to review a few points. This course is designed for users transitioning from EMDECS forms to EMDECS Kona. All users involved in updating and tracking preventative maintenance inspection records are encouraged to watch this video. All setup and configurations that were previously available in EMDECS forms will be available in EMDECS Kona. In this case, the PM inspection groups and schedules you have set up in forms will be available for you in Kona when you transition over. However, the electronic PM inspection sheets associated with the PM inspection schedules are customized for each company and a new feature for EMDECS in Kona. The electronic PM inspection sheet templates need to be created from scratch when you get access to the live Kona platform. In addition to this, all historical information related to PM inspection schedules will be available for you on the new platform. Please note, the training environment is a copy of your production environment, so there may be some differences depending on when the last copy was made. Rest assured, when you transition to the new platform, all your information will be up to date. Access to the EMDECS Kona training platform will be provided to you once you request to transition to Kona. Your username and password will be the same as you use today. And finally, we strongly recommend that you watch this video in a quiet environment. Take note of any important information for your role, jot down any questions you may have, and reach out to us by our online help portal or by calling us. Also, feel free to join our online training sessions related to this topic. Now, let's get started with the training. In this course, you'll learn how to review, update, and create electronic PM inspections. Preventative maintenance is the key component to any successful maintenance program for commercial vehicles and equipment. Through preventative maintenance, vehicles and equipment are inspected, repaired, and maintained in such a way that defects are prevented from surfacing in the first place before any violations or accidents can occur. EMDECS Kona allows you to manage your PM program, whether you're a fleet or a repair shop, in the most effective way. It also allows you to track, repair, and defer reported defects during an inspection. After attending this course, you will know how to create and manage electronic PM inspections with manager and technician functionality in EMDECS Kona. Let's start off by logging into Kona. When you first log in, you will be logging into the Manager dashboard. For this training, let's start off by reviewing the PM Inspection Manager. Go to Fleet and select PM Inspection Manager. The PM Inspection Manager allows you to see previously done PM inspections, modify the inspection sheet templates, and schedule any PM inspections. You can create new PM inspection groups or tie in a PM inspection to existing VMRS codes. If you are not familiar with VMRS codes and SRT groups, please watch the video prior to this one to familiarize yourself with the codes and groups. We will be referencing these during this session. In the PM Inspection History screen, you can search and print previously created PM inspections. This is a useful tool for audit and compliance purposes. If you are ever required to review and print previously done PM inspections, you can do so here. You can review any defects which may or may not have been rectified, and if a defect is reported from a PM inspection is repaired, you'd have a hyperlink to click on the defect which was repaired and the work order which it was done on. If an item is declared a defect but not fixed, you'll see an outstanding defect listed in the defects reported/defects repaired column. This allows you to effectively track all maintenance on your vehicles and equipment, and it's carried out thoroughly and in accordance with your regional government regulatory standards, such as the Department of Transportation. Next, let's review how to set up or modify a PM Inspections template. Let's start off by reviewing the previously created PM Inspection sheet. Please note, once you start a PM Inspection sheet template, it cannot be deleted. This is because the template is part of your corporation's master record, and deleting it may have unintended consequences. The PM Inspection sheet can be modified, however, by clicking on the Revise button. This is useful if you wish to make any changes to the template you've created already. You can change any of the allowable fields by going through the widget. The section at the top of the widget tells you which part of the template you're modifying. You can modify the task and reason, inspection types, signature, or attach to services. If a PM inspection is specific to a company or a PM inspection group, you can add that specification here. If a PM inspection is linked to a VMRS code, when a technician selects the VMRS code on a work order, they'll be prompted to fill out the inspection sheet. If you are satisfied with the changes you have made and wish to preview the inspection before activating it, click on the Preview Inspection button. Previewing the inspection allows you to make any modifications before activation. If you wish to come back and make additional changes to your revision, click on Save and Exit. Otherwise, click on Activate Inspection to allow it to be available for technicians to select. Next, let's review how to start a PM inspection template. For example, if you wish to create a PM inspection template for PMB, start by clicking on the green plus Add button, select the task and reason, enter the code, title, and type of vehicle, and click on Next. In this section of the widget, you can set up the various inspection types. For example, a PMB may include everything including a PMA, and also include an oil filter and filter change, as well as an in-depth check of engine and the driveline. Click on Add New Section and type in the section name. Click OK and then click on the blue hyperlink next to the section to add all activities related to that section. For example, if you wish to check filters, type filters in the search field. If you wish to add a new VMRS code, feel free to do so in the VMRS icon manager. Watch the previous videos to learn how to do that. Select the inspection type and click on Add again to add a new section. For the purpose of this video, we will not be adding another section, but let me show you what happens next. Click on Next to go to the signature section of the widget. Here you can designate whether the signature required pops up. For example, if you wish to have the technician sign off on any repaired or reported defects, you can do so here. Click on Next to add the services this sheet will be associated with. As previously mentioned, you can select the VMRS code or SRT group. Remember, you want to tie in your inspection sheet to the VMRS code. For instance, in this case, you will search for PM and select PMB service. After a technician selects the PMB service, they will be required to fill out the inspection summary sheet electronically. After you've completed the PM inspection template setup, activate the inspection by clicking on the Activate button. The electronic PM inspection setup is a great alternative to pen and paper inspection summaries, and it allows you to retrieve the inspection sheet directly from the system. Now, let's review how you can review previously set up PM inspection schedules, upcoming PM services, and set up new PM schedules. The PM inspection setup screen has 5 main sections. Those sections are Customers, Maintenance Group, maintenance schedule, reading schedule, and included services. To modify an existing PM schedule for a customer, search and find the customer in the Customer section and then select the PM group you wish to modify. For example, if you want to modify the MG Group 1 maintenance group for Customer Speedway, I can click on any of the PM schedules underneath that group to modify it. If you wish to modify the reading schedule, click on the reading type if you wish to modify it and make the necessary changes. Now let's review how to add a PM schedule. For example, if you wish to add a PM schedule to an annual inspection for a particular group of units, start by finding the customer this PM group will be attached to. Click on the green plus Add button to start. Click on the magnifying glass to search for customer or start typing in the customer name. Next, select the group type and click Next. Next, select the service which will be done and click Next. If the inspection is time-based, select your time interval now. If your inspection is reading-based, click on Next and enter in the reading intervals. Select whether the service completion date will be based on activity completion date or work order date. Click on Finish once you have satisfied with the schedule. To review your setup, search the customer on the PM schedule setup screen. If the service is followed by another annual service, click on the self-repeating checkbox. Final step to activating the PM inspection schedule is to click on the Build Group button in the Maintenance Group section. This step is critical as it starts the maintenance tracking for this particular group. PM groups are set up for units in the Unit Master or when creating a new unit. Go to the Unit Master screen and select the unit. You can review the previously set up PM group here or modify it as needed. You can also review a unit's PM schedule by clicking on the PM Schedule tab. Note, you can also update unit PM group records in bulk by doing a data upload in the Unit Master screen. To manage the PM services due at a glance, click on the Fleet menu and select the PM service due. This screen shows you services which are coming up and can be sorted by remaining dates or remaining readings. You can click on the Export button to export the data on the screen if you wish to create your own reporting in Excel. That was a brief overview of preventative maintenance tracking functionality in EMDECS Kona. For more information, feel free to review our training documentation and join the online training class hosted by one of our application specialists. I hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to watch the other videos on this page to familiarize yourself with EMDECS Kona. As always, please log a support request for any questions you may have or call us at 1-888-205-8817 and press 1 for EMDECS support. Thank you for watching today's training session and enjoy the rest of your day.